And what do you have to concentrate on most against Super Strikers, Coach Von Pusher?
Lucky for us, we have nature on our side. I don't see how they can stand up to the Iron Tank all the way up here, from all the way down there.
Unbeaten at home, their opponents scoreless in the last 15 minutes. Super...
Is the GPS tracking device working?
Like clockwork.
I still don't understand the point of this.
You will, man.
Dude, Coach totally cut our travel budget. Our hotel is a tent.
Here we go. Time to put these on.
Parachutes.
Good one, Rasta.
You are welcome to jump without it, but I hear that makes for a rather uncomfortable landing.
No airport either. Coach's budget cuts are going way too far.
If you don't want to, you don't have to jump.
Really?
Pull your chutes on 3. 1, 2, 3. Super Strikers! Status report?
They just landed safe and sound.
So this was the plan? Drop us in the middle of nowhere?
We're about a day away from the rendezvous point.
We have to get all the way up there? By tomorrow?
Dude, that's not possible.
Of course it is. We even have one of Coach's machines to show us the way. Now let's get started.
We have reason to believe that the strikers are somewhere in Europe, training in the mountains.
You think?
Yeah.
Get me Uber immediately. Tell him we have a security issue. No!
Wait! Just need a little break.
Totally. Where did all the air go?
I can't find it either.
It's okay, brothers. Some people take longer to adapt.
So there's nothing I can do?
Relax, man. Why don't we set up camp for the night?
Best idea I've heard all day.
First thing in the morning, we'll make that summit and meet the Super Strikers on the landing strip below.
That's the problem with going up. You gotta go down afterwards.
Not if you want to win the Super League, man. The only way is up.
Sleep tight, Super Strikers.
Okay, I could have 5 pizzas. Pepperoni and sausage with marshmallows, please. Oh yeah, bacon shake. That would hit the spot. Totally.
See you later.
Or maybe I won't.
Coach! Oh, I lost them.
What?
It was here last night. How did it just disappear?
Guys, footprints and ski tracks.
This was sabotage. Someone doesn't want us to get to the match. Onwards and upwards.
Sure, upwards and upwards, Captain. There's not a lot of time until the match.
I'm sure it's just a matter of time before they arrive.
And if they don't?
That's why we have this.
Almost there, guys!
I don't know if I can do it.
If you want a good reason why you should finish, Shakesman, it's because turning back now would be way harder.
Woo! I'm on top of the world.
Now, to find a striker jet.
Before it has to leave.
We need a sign, dude!
How did you do that?
You think it's Coach?
I'd say that was a good guess, man. Now, we gotta get there fast.
Any ideas?
Tree stomping, man!
These old tree trunks make awesome snowboards, dudes!
All right!
Dan, bro!
Come on! We got a plane to catch!
If they don't get here soon, we'll have to leave without them.
I cannot wait any longer. I will brave the elements and rescue our friends myself. Good luck, my friends. I tried. I will never give up looking for you, my friends.
What is that?
I never gave up, and now I find them! Stop this plane!